Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. So wedding and the festive seasons are back again, so I thought to share a soft black and golden hollow eyes with you guys. If you want to know how to get this look, then you have to watch this video till the end. Here I have shown two lip options. One is bright red, another is neutral. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I started with eye makeup first. So for that I am priming my eyes, and I used Lakme Blur Perfect makeup primer and gently apply it all over the eyes and under eyes area, and then I will fill up the gaps of my eyebrows, and with the small strokes I will fill it gently and blend it nicely so that it won't look dramatic, over dramatic. And then I will use my Fit Me concealer for the base of my eyeshadows and apply it all over my eyelids and under eyes, and also use this to clean the edges of my eyebrows to make it more prominent and defined, and then gently blend it. Fit Me concealer is giving medium to full coverage, and this is my all-time favorite. And then to set my eyes and conceal areas, I am using Maybelline All-in Glow Clear Compact and gently set it. And for my transition shades, I am using Nicka contour kit and those two contour shades. I have found that contour shades are best for your transition shades because their so browny colors are there, like the chocolate brown, the medium brown, the light brown. I'm building the color from light to dark so that it will give me a gradation effect. And all the products which I've used for my makeup all are listed in the description box, so if you are interested, please check that out. And yeah, then I'm taking this golden shimmery color from the Blush Notes palette by Maybelline and apply it gently. Never use shimmery shades first and the matte shade second. Always you apply matte shades first, then apply the shimmery shade, then it will be easier to blend everything. And then I'm blending each and everything so that there won't be any harsh line. And next I'm taking Miss Clear Full Coverage Foundation and apply it as a eye glue so that my shimmer colors will get stick to it, and I apply it all over on the eyeball to get the hollow effect, and then apply the golden color from my Sivanna blush, bronze and highlighter palette, and with the help of a pencil brush defining the outer V and inner V with the help of a black eyeshadow. Slowly, gradually I'm just building the color. Next I'm using a liquid eyeliner, and for that I'm using Amway liquid eyeliner. After drawing the wing, I'm just filling it out and then joining it into the inner words like this. Then taking that coppery golden color and put it on the center of my eye so that the hollow looks golden coppery together. And then one by one I'm applying all over the shades which I've applied on my eyelids, on my lower waterline, and smoked it out. Then I'm taking MaybellineXGigihadid kajal and apply it all over my waterline and also tight lining my eyes and doing the thicker lines than the usual ones. Then applying generous amount of mascara. For that I'm using MaybellineXGigihadid mascara. This is the fiber one. It gives a falsy look, and for inner corner highlighting I'm using that golden and the copper color together. And yeah, my eye look is done. And for my face I'm applying a primer, and for that I'm again taking Lakme Blur Perfect makeup primer. And for my foundation I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Poreless foundation, and I'm in shade 128. I'm not going to apply this all over my neck because nowadays I'm suffering from skin allergies, so yeah, you guys can understand this. and I'm gently blend it. It gives a medium to decent coverage. And then for my concealer, I'm again using Maybelline Fit Me concealer and apply it on my under eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, below my contour area, and also my forehead, and gently blend it out. It gives a nice highlighting effect, and blending is must, obviously. And then to set my concealer, I'm going to take that highlighting shade from my Nicka contour palette and gently apply the powder wherever I applied my concealer, and we'll let it set for at least 2 minutes. And then taking my Sivanna colors bronze trio palette as a contour shade, I'm just applying all on my cheekbones, and then I apply it on my jawline as well to hide my double chin on my forehead also. And don't ever forget to contour your nose, because you don't have a big nose in your picture, right? So to contour your nose as well. And then with the help of a fluffy brush, I will buff out all over the excess powder which is left over on my face, and blend it gently so that any powderiness is not left on my face. And for my blush, I'm taking that pink shade from the Sivanna Blush Bronze Highlighter palette. This is such a pink color which gives a natural blush on your face, and loving it. And then for highlighter, I'm taking Sivanna Colors highlighter. This is in shade Champagne Gold. It looks so awesome. Like, I'm just loving the Sivanna Colors product. They are coming up with lots of products, and they are affordable as well as good in quality. And yeah, I'm highlighting all over the portions where I like to highlight to define my face features even more. And for lipstick, first I'm showing a neutral color which is pinky nude, because I know that not everyone is comfortable having a bold eyes along with a bold lips. And yeah, you can carry this look with a neutral lip shade as well. And for a bright red lip color, I'm taking that Miss Clear Glimmer Stick, and I'm filling all over the outline. I'm drawing the outline and then filling it with the help of a Blue Heaven liquid lipstick in shade Brick Red. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video helpful, and see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.